meghalayapost.news.
Penong po oba Mayral sim mentagasngi hakakat motion po ka Dorbar Sanrai la shimenta ban pan jing penshai naga sarkar halor ki lat klinti ba ka sarkar ka yakun habadon ki Jingshai Ktah naga Bor Mariang niga disaster preparation bat kuntuk ru kityar kitar ban penbiang na banta ki rescue team capacity building ki ba ha ban Jingïarap ha ka por ba warning shop ki ba bonja ki ba Ktah naga Bor Mariang kum ka Jingshai ke eryong bat kiwe Hapapan Jingshai halor ke Jingshai Ktah ki ba na ke jing penjulor ke Bor Mariang ba Mayral sim la pan Jingshai ru ye ki lat Jingïarap la ke de ki tiar ni da ka pisa sya ki tu ba sya Ktah hakleng ki jaka hapo ke jela hapapan pau ya ke jing songkhya na ke Jingshai Ktah ki ba ha ke jing penjulor ke Bor Mariang lapan ke mauru ya ke Jingshai hapo ka konstituensi ke belajar dangshen khamtam ha umling ba bon kilong yeng la sya Ktah jur na do ki yeng gisam ki tiar gitar bat barok jing don jing em baka sao kala penjulor lut naga Jingshai Shusho la krenro kulum manpan Jingshai naga sarkar halo ke jing pelaj yaki lat Jingïarap hakeleng ki basyak Ktah hak jelah berkuntup ru hapo ke konstituensi jingu. Namar kitu ki basyak Ktah ki don kam shisha ya ke Jingïarap ke sarkar halor ke jing penjulor ke Bor Mariang.
Or community volunteers who willingly come ahead to have a training to volunteer at the time of natural calamity happen in various locality in the state. As well as this amount that has been asked to pass through this house, whether it include or not for the buying of the material, the accessories like helmet, the rope, or even the life jacket. All these are material which is needed for the community volunteers whom the capacity building sensitization awareness that has been given at various locality. I would like to know on this point. And number two, very quick, is to simplify the process of release the relief to the various locality that has been affected. In the course of response, in the start question number 39B, which talk about average time taken for release of relief assistance during the last 3 years, district-wise. The statement says that there are districts which took 3 weeks, and then district like Eastern West Khasi Hill took 12 weeks, East Garo Hill district took 14 weeks, South Garo Hills 8 weeks, another district 5 weeks, 4 weeks, like that. So at the time of the crisis to the family, especially where they need immediate relief, my point to you, Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, is that the department, through various agencies, the DDMA, SDMA, to discharge as soon as possible and to relax even the guidelines as well for releasing of the relief, because just recently that excessive rain on the morning of 28th of July, in which one of the villages in my constituency also, Umling village, where there's a huge flood and waterlogging, where students have lost their books, they have lost their shoes, belonging. So those are the in which we have to understand that not only ration and blanket will help, we need some financial assistance also. If guidelines can be revisited so that even financial assistance can be given at the earliest, keeping in mind the time taken as per the statement. So these are the 2 points I want to make through you, Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir. Thank you so much.
meghalayapost.news.